Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. And if you're a person that want to build a relationship with American Express and you're looking to get a personal loan through American Express, well, this video is for you. Now, the thing about it with American Express, many people know it's the cream of the crop. It's almost like you going and you want a Mercedes over a Toyota or BMW over a Honda. You want the best, right? So nonetheless, if you want to build a stronger relationship with American Express, in which I made a previous video showing you how to build a business credit with Amazon and American Express, well, this video is going to show you how to get a personal loan through American Express. Now, before we do that, if you have a job or you don't have a job and you need financial assistance, just a little help or whatever, but you don't know what type of financial assistance you qualify for, you can go to benefits.gov. Now, benefits.gov is where you put in your personal information, and it'll tell you what type of benefits you qualify for. Again, people that are working a job and everything, but they're struggling to make their bills and stuff like that, go to benefits.gov and it will tell you what type of benefits you may qualify for, or you can go to usa.gov, or you can call 211.org. So that's so that way you know that, hey, I am working, but it's just hard for me to make ends meet or whatever. If you reach out to those resources I just named, then maybe you can get some assistance or help somebody in the community. Now that we're back to talking about how to get an American Express personal loan. Now, this is something that's been challenging for a lot of people and confusing, because they're like, hey, how come you just can't look it up or go to American Express and apply for a personal loan? Well, it doesn't work that way with American Express. American Express, they treat their personal loans almost like their black cards. You got to be invited. Okay, and there's certain things that you have to do in order to get invited. And the first thing with the American Express personal loan, people see that, wow, all you need is a 660 credit score. That's all you need. However, you're thinking like, oh, that's easy. I got a 680 credit score. Not with American Express. American Express is like this. It's invitation only. So they want to make sure that you're invited. So you just can't walk through the door because you got a 660 credit score and think that, oh yeah, I can get a personal loan. Nope. It doesn't work like that with American Express. Now, another thing about it is you have to have an existing American Express card. Well, you may say, well, Houston, I'm an authorized user on American Express. Nope. You have to be a primary. You actually have to have an American Express card in your name. You have to be a primary, okay? They're not accepting just an authorized user. No, there's no credibility there, because the authorized user, if you're not paying the bill, then how can we calculate that? Now, having an American Express card on your personal credit as an authorized user, does that help your chances of maybe getting qualified for an American Express credit card? Yes. But in terms of trying to get American Express personal loan, you actually have to be a primary card holder. Now, another thing is be in good standing with American Express. That means making your payments on time, paying your bills and everything. So long as you're paying your American Express on time and stuff, and like I said, it's by invitation only. So what happens is their database triggers out an invitation for you. So the more times that you using the credit card and you're actually paying that credit card on time, this is what opens up the doors for them to send you an invitation for American Express personal loan. Also, if you have bad credit, like I said, a 660 and you don't have an American Express credit card, and I did make a video telling you what credit scores you need to get American Express credit card. So I also put a link for you to check out that video as well. But at the same time, if you have a 660 credit score and you do need a personal loan, then there are personal loan lenders out there that will accept people with bad credit and no credit check. So you may have a 660, but you don't want people doing a credit check on you, then you may want to check out some of the personal loans, and I put a link below the video, because you can have bad credit and no credit check. But when it comes to American Express personal loans, you do have to have at least a 660, and it's by invitation, as well as being the primary of American Express credit card. So now you know why people can't just get a personal loan through American Express, because it is by invitation and you have to already have an American Express credit card. So this is Houston with three-way funding. I ask you to please like, share, and comment on the video. If there's anything you may want to share with us about your experience with American Express and their personal loans, please put it in the comments. I do respond to the comments in the videos as well. Also, don't forget to like, share, and the information I provide for you to help the community with the 211 and USA.gov. This is information to help the community. You may not have the financial means to help the community, but using these government programs, what your taxes dollars are already going to, now you're able to help the community. So sending them over to benefits.gov. If you're a person that's working, but you're having a problem making ends meet, go to benefits.gov, put in your personal information, and it'll actually tell you what benefits, government benefits you may qualify for. So don't feel that you're disqualified because you have a job or whatever, because that's not true. You still have an opportunity to get some type of financial assistance if needed. So this is Houston with three-way funding. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.